So from today onwards, we are going to start a new playlist on C++. So we will be starting from scratch and we will look into each and every concept one by one. Let's start by discussing what is C++. So C++ is a programming language which was developed by Bijan at Bell Labs, Sirsa 1980. It is an extension to C programming language. You can consider it as a superset of C language because 99% of C code can be run in C++, but we cannot run C++ code in C language. It follows bottom up approach. It is also called object oriented programming language because it supports features like inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction. We will discuss each of these features one by one in upcoming videos. C++ also supports 95 keywords like public, void, int, etc. It supports function overloading, function overriding, reference variables, exception handling. We will also discuss these as well. Now let's see one of the key difference between C and C++. So C is a structural programming language while C++ is an object oriented programming language. It has many features like encapsulation, data hiding, polymorphism, inheritance, etc. And we can say that C++ is more secure than C because it has encapsulation and data hiding, which basically prevent important features to be shown. Now C is a C follows top-down approach, while C++ follows bottom-up approach. We will discuss these as well. And we already discussed that C supports operator overloading, function overriding, reference variable, exception handling, while C does not support all these features. So we can clearly say that C is a advanced version. C++ is an advanced version of C. So in the next video, we are going to look in detail about these concepts and subscribe to our channel Code Connect for more such videos. Thank you.